Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to research the YouTube video topics using AI. If you ever struggle to find the video ideas, AI tools can help you discover the topics, understand what viewers want, and plan your content much faster. So here is how you can do it. First of all, you need to basically start by asking AI for the topic ideas in your niche. For that, you can open ChatGPT, and here you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, you need to tell it about your niche. For example, if your channel is about fitness, so you can give it the initial prompt that can be like, give me 15 YouTube video ideas for a fitness channel focused on beginners. So now AI is going to suggest you some of the topics, like it has given us beginner workout ideas, then we have weight loss and fat burning, then we have fitness habit and research, motivation and lifestyle. So among the given topics, whatever topics you are basically resonating with or you want to research on, you just have to copy the title from here. After that, come here on YouTube, then use the search bar and you just have to simply paste the title over here. After selecting the tab of videos, it is going to show you all of the videos that has similar type of title. So you will basically come to know how many views these videos have got and how old the videos are. So as you can see, this particular video received 58 million views in the 6 years, and that's how you can basically do the topic research. So after basically selecting the topic, once you have decided it, you can ask the AI in order to basically create the outline for the topic and to generate the full script for you. So that's how you can basically do the topic research for YouTube using AI in your own niche. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.